We don't fly the planes. We enable transactions that allow airlines to take flight. We don't build facial recognition software. We organize the distinct, detailed data that protects your personal information. We don't fill the prescriptions. We manage the data that lets you know when they're ready. We don't launch the rockets. We store the data that empowers our pioneers to know where they've been and where they're headed. At the core of our customer's journey, NetApp nurtures innovative data solutions that push beyond the current possibilities.
Performance is what our customers demand. It's what we demand of ourselves. Data played a crucial role as we understood how we can help our riders by providing them with a bike that behaves the way they need in every point of the circuit. Today, we can collect data from up to 15,000 bikes around the globe. Connected Bike for Ducati means not only collecting data from the usage of the bike, but also data capture that will bring us to better understand our customer needs and behaviors. It used to take us several years to create a motorcycle prototype. Now, it only takes around 18 months because of NetApp. NetApp is one of the few companies we know that can help virtually every part of our business. We achieved great results in 4 projects with NetApp. Our data center consolidation, our high-performance computing cluster renewal, the implementation of our disaster recovery and data protection strategy, and the research for a new IT infrastructure model to support our branches. We are able to leverage the data fabric. We fully understand that the future will be in the hybrid cloud, as we will face new challenges with products and needs to be more and more connected. NetApp has shown us the power of the comprehensive suite of solutions, from all-flash storage system to HCI, to all opportunities offered by their cloud data services. They have helped us capitalize on today's business opportunities while we innovate for tomorrow.
Data protection doesn't have to be a chore. In less than 2 minutes, you can set up and activate the entire process for regularly backing up your on-prem, ONTAP data into a public or private cloud. Here's how easy it is. Start by using Cloud Manager to identify your on-prem clusters. Then, enable backup and follow the workflow for Cloud Backup Service to select the volumes on your on-prem clusters that you want to back up. Choose from a selection of popular retention periods. Each provides a different frequency between copies and how long they're retained. Or create a customized policy that's tailored to your specific data protection requirements. You have the flexibility to store your backup copies on your choice of any of the major public cloud providers, as well as NetApp Storage Grid Object Storage Solution. Press Activate, and you're done. With Cloud Backup Service, you can back up from any ONTAP source directly to your object storage buckets. And these backups are incremental forever. After you've done your initial baseline copy, each backup is encrypted for security and listed in a browsable catalog. Recovery is extremely quick and easy for entire volumes or individual files. Simply select the specific copy you want to retrieve from that catalog. These backups not only give you peace of mind that your data is saved in multiple locations across your hybrid cloud, but they're also effective for protecting against ransomware attacks. Get started with NetApp Cloud Backup Service in less than 2 minutes today. How much time can it save you? Interested in a 50% reduction in total cost of ownership for your all-flash systems? And in automatically seeing those TCO benefits from day one? Yeah, we thought so. That's why ONTAP was designed to deliver automatic tiering of cold data to lower-cost storage locations. Tiering cold data frees up terabytes and, for some companies, petabytes of space on your high-performance ONTAP systems. Or, if you're purchasing a new ONTAP system, tiering enables you to provision a smaller system from the start. Here's how easy it is to tier in an ONTAP environment using Fabric Pool. Start with the inactive data reporting to see how much cold data you have on your ONTAP system. Then select a lower-cost tier as the destination for your cold data. Choose from your on-prem private cloud using NetApp Storage Grid or any of the major public clouds. To make deployment even easier, use NetApp's default setting to flag any data not accessed for the last 31 days as cold data. It's that easy. You're done. Set up a tiering relationship once, and Fabric Pool will automatically move cold data off your ONTAP system and retrieve it whenever it's hot again. Curious how much space you've freed up on your AFF system? System Manager will show you your savings. Get started today. To learn more, check out netapp.com/simplicity365. Trusted automation in seconds. That's what you can achieve by automating your day-to-day ONTAP configuration management with NetApp certified Ansible modules. Ansible and NetApp make it easy by helping you automate repetitive tasks quickly. NetApp has built an industry-leading portfolio of certified Ansible modules that are a trusted, straightforward way for you to start today. Simplify up to 100% of your day-to-day tasks. Here are examples of how it works. Configure and deploy a snapshot in 17 seconds. Configure a cluster in less than a minute and a half. Create a vServer or provision in SAN or NAS server in less time than it takes to get a cup of coffee. There, the snapshot is done. What previously took hours can now be done in only minutes. Free up time each week and spend it on higher value projects. NetApp certified modules cover the most commonly used Day 0, Day 1, and Day 2 tasks. Also, NetApp has partnered with Ansible and Red Hat to make this content easily accessible on Ansible Galaxy and Ansible's Automation Hub. Using Ansible, IT speeds up their daily operations, and other teams relying on IT will get what they need faster, with greater consistency and reliability. Trusted automation in seconds. Learn how NetApp's leadership in Ansible can help your business today at netapp.com/simplicity365. ActiveIQ simplifies the proactive care and optimization of NetApp storage. Think of ActiveIQ as your digital advisor, providing the insights, guidance, and actions that make it easy to improve system availability, capacity, and security. Customers save hours of admin time each week with ActiveIQ. Here's how easy it is to use. The ActiveIQ dashboard gives you an overview of your entire NetApp hybrid cloud environment, recommended actions, and inventory of systems, and some things you should plan for, like software upgrades, support renewals, and capacity expansion. Don't need to see every single NetApp system you own? Create custom watch lists with the systems that matter the most. Since we don't have time to cover everything, we'll touch on 3 areas where ActiveIQ really shines. ActiveIQ is constantly looking for ways to improve system health. It uses artificial intelligence and predictive analytics to find and address potential issues. You'll see these corrective actions on your wellness card. which is organized by these key health categories. Click on the tiles to see the best next actions for that category, as well as how many risks the action will eliminate and how many systems are affected. Want even more detail? ActiveIQ provides specifics on the individual risks and corrective action you can take. The wrench and Ansible icons let you know there's an automated fix-it, further simplifying the task at hand. The planning card highlights things that you might want to start thinking about for the future. You can see how many support renewals are coming up, get a feel for which workloads are candidates for the cloud, and how much cold data could be tiered to lower cost storage to improve TCO. ActiveIQ can also show you which ONTAP and StorageGRID systems have reached a critically high capacity level, and which systems are projected to reach that level in the next 1, 3, or 6 months. Need to add more capacity? A quote is just a click away. Finally, our new Health Check feature takes a broad view of your NetApp environment, making it easy to see areas for improvement. One example is auto support adoption. ActiveIQ needs auto support data to derive your specific insights and recommendations, so it's important to know which systems have auto support enabled, which don't, and which ones have stopped sending data. Then there's software. Keeping it up to date is one of the easiest ways to improve system availability, security, and performance. ActiveIQ checks software currency, gives you an overview of how you're doing, and shows you which systems need an update. ActiveIQ will even look for best practice gaps to make sure your systems are performing optimally. We know you're busy. ActiveIQ can help. It provides constant visibility into system health, lets you know when attention is required, and gives you clear guidance and automated actions to make it happen. And it's available to all NetApp customers with an active support contract. Check out your ActiveIQ dashboard today and start saving hours each week. In less than 5 minutes, you can build a hybrid cloud. And we're not talking about just splitting workloads between your data center and the cloud, but having a fully orchestrated, unified hybrid cloud environment that can utilize on-premises and cloud infrastructure with the complete set of proven ONTAP data management capabilities. With the flexibility to easily move data where it's needed, you're ready to leverage cloud scalability and agility in less than 5 minutes. Believe it. First, use Cloud Manager to create your ONTAP environment in the public cloud. Fill in a few boxes to start up your Cloud Volumes ONTAP CVO environment in AWS, Microsoft Azure, or Google Cloud. Your choice. You can use the Cloud Provider Marketplace for the pay-as-you-go model or purchase your own term-based license. Second, identify your existing on-premises ONTAP clusters that you want to connect with your new cloud environments. That's it. You've created a unified, hybrid multi-cloud. It's not magic. It's the advanced data management of ONTAP. What could be easier? Next, how about setting up disaster recovery in the cloud of your on-prem data? With a simple drag and drop, create a SnapMirror relationship that makes a copy of the volumes you want to protect. Now that your data is located where you need it in the hybrid cloud. Here's what else you can do in just a few clicks. In Cloud Manager, use the sidebar to activate automatic backups to object storage in the cloud or on NetApp StorageGRID. Scan your data for compliance with privacy regulations. Monitor the performance of your cloud resources to resolve issues before they become a problem. Bottom line, in less than 5 minutes, you have created an easy-to-use integrated full-featured hybrid cloud. To learn more, check out netapp.com/Simplicity365.